Hello, and welcome back to the league racing scene. Welcome back to my channel. We're looking at Psgl, the new season, the best, definitely the best league there is at the moment on this game. There's no really comparison. You know, to be quite frank, the best drivers, by far, comparable to esports, the absolute apex of race. Anyway, that was Q1. Didn't go too well, but we still managed to get through. At the moment, this is the end of Q2. We're in P5. It's not too bad actually, but we were sure we weren't gonna make it through to Q3 with the lap we're sitting on at the moment with a 720, 15, 720. So obviously we go again. We left a little bit of wiggle room there, and I think enough fuel as well to go again if needed. But we keep it within the track limits in turn 1. Neat and tidy, nothing really too much, too risky or anything. This was pretty bad. It just didn't really get the traction down. You definitely could have done it better. 671. You want to look at 0.5s in the first, but it happens. This one got the traction quite nice. Used the exit curb there, which is pretty grippy. This one you kind of wanted. You use the inside curb to rotate your car. Did that well. This is really tricky. It's really oversteering on exit. It's really bad. So you want to be careful as hell on throttle, which we did. And then here hitting the apex, pretty okay. Again, hard on traction, kind of. You want to pin the throttle hard. And then again, hard on traction. This track is a traction track, really. And we did pretty solidly. I mean, nothing too special, but obviously nothing bad. Improving by roughly 1.5 tenths, which is good, I'd say. So yeah, at the time we go P1. I don't think we kept P1. I'm pretty sure someone beat us, and I'm pretty sure it was Barry. So yeah, but I'm still at the end pretty happy with that. Got through the Q3 pretty comfortably. Yeah, Barry beat us. And yeah, looking at the elimination zone, Jarno, Timon, Louis, and Josh. Pretty interesting names there, especially Jarno, I'd say. Obviously Josh and Timon and Louis all quick, but especially Jarno, given he's the literal champion. Anyways, going to Q3 now. The not so pleasant part of this race, where I'd say, the blame is on me for sure. But let's go through the lap. Again, actually, having used one lap before, you see, very careful on entry here. Really not using much. Turning a bit too early, carrying too much apex speed. Couldn't get the car to the right side quick enough, and that was an absolute horrible sector 1. Much slower than Q2 with a 735. Anyways, didn't get the traction down as well again as in Q2. Just going really from bad to worse. This one just had a bit of oversteer mid apex, had to go off throttle a bit. Just not ideal. Here, that was pretty solid, I'd say. Still 8.0, but just obviously not enough. We have much more grip than in Q2, so we have to go much quicker. Here you see Barry with a 0.2 he did, and yeah, we lost a good 2 tenths in the first alone, and the rest just didn't do us much favors. Doing a 0.586 at the end, which is pretty shocking, but you can't get it right every time. I'm not sure what happened to me there. It was just an absolute horrible lap. Usually we were doing 0.3s, 0.2s in practice pretty consistently, but I mean, what does it say? Anyways, going to the formation lap. Thing is, the race is the race.
Fuck.
Quali is quali, and the race is the race. So this is far from over. This is isn't over. This is. The race is ahead of us. I'm wondering where Jarno is on hearts, I think. And yeah, this is where the points are scored. This is where legends are made. And we are here to imprint our name on this race in this league. There isn't anyone who's going to stop us. We're gonna be getting quick off the line, insane traction. We're gonna have insane pace, determination, racecraft, moves, left, right, and center. We're gonna zigzag through the field. They aren't gonna be able to see us. We're just gonna be a blue flash in their eyes. They aren't gonna know what hit them. No, we're gonna be all over the place. We're gonna be here and there. We're gonna be as the color of our car blue, which is the sky, and the sky is the limit. So here we are on the grid. Let's go. Focus on the start. There's nothing that's gonna deter us. We are good. We are a good starter, and we're gonna prove that right now by jumping 4 cars. Oh, we do get a good start. Alessio in the mirrors behind us, dust is barely visible, and then, well, wing damage, which is pretty bad. It's pretty bad, but maybe with enough determination. Not just kidding. We are absolutely toast. We aren't gonna do much with this. We're screwed. There isn't much hope for us left. If anything, we have pretty much no front wing. The only idea I had or have is maybe safety car. There might be a safety car that saves. There wasn't a safety car that saved us. That was bad. But hey, see.